Really high tone, guys. Don't know what it's going to be. Probably a piece of trash. It's not too much of a big signal. Maybe it's down deep if it's a big thing, but I'm hoping it's something good. Could be a silver ring or something. Still in the hole. Probably going to be a 2-cent piece now that I've got it out. Oh, no, it looks like a silver bracelet. Yeah, that's what it looks like to me. It's a bit rusty, but this gave me a nice reading, guys. I haven't really checked it out. It looks like a little silver heart thing with Ashley on it.